Hello, everyone. Welcome to my classroom. Всем привет. Добро пожаловать в мой класс. Do adjectives confuse you? Here's the good news. In English, they are much easier than in Russian. And today, I will give you the basics in just a few minutes. Adjectives. Прилагательные are describing words. Описательные слова. They describe a person, place, or thing. Человек, место и вещь, thing, вещь. Big dog. Big dog. In Russian, it would be собака. Big dog, большая собака. It's the same thing, but in English, we don't change this to make it sound like the word, like what we are describing. It does not change genders. It never changes genders. This word will never change gender depending on this word. This is always the same. Все похожи. This word will always stay the same. It does not matter what word is here. Here's another example. Small cat. Small cat. Маленький кот. Маленький кот. But this is small cat. Is this cat a мальчик и женщина? Male or female? We don't know, but it is still a small cat. It does not matter what the gender is. It stays the same. Here's another one. Happy child. Happy child. Счастливый ребенок. Счастливый ребенок. Мальчик или девочка? Мальчик или девочка? Я не знаю. I don't know. But it's still счастливый ребенок. Happy child. Happy child. It does not matter the gender. Here's some more information about American adjectives. They almost always come before the noun. So here's an example. A big house. A red apple. A happy child. It comes before. Now, house, big, This would be wrong. Нет. Нет. Неправильный. Not right. This is the correct form. A big house. A red apple. A happy child. Правильный. Неправильный. Right. Not right. Simple adjective order. Простой порядок прилагательных. Here's the order. Opinion, size, color, noun. This is a correct order for making a sentence with adjectives. Here's an example. A beautiful big house. A beautiful big house. Here's an opinion. Here's the size. And here's the noun. You don't always need all of these. You can use all of them, and we will do it with our next one. A cute, small, orange, kitten. A cute, small, orange kitten. Here's the opinion. Here's the size, color, and noun. This is how you make English sentences. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will help you answer them. And do not worry, you don't have to memorize all this now. I know it's a lot, but this is good enough for beginners. So just keep practicing and you will understand this more. Just remember, this is the correct order for making sentences. Opinion, size, color, noun. Now here are some well-known, useful adjectives that Americans use every day. We're going to start with positive adjectives. Положительные прилагательные. Okay. Nice. Nice. Хороший. Nice. Хороший. Great. Великий. Great. Великий. Awesome. Awesome. Потрясающий. Awesome. Потрясающий. Cool. Круто. Cool. Круто. Pretty. Симпатичный. Pretty. 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 Симпатичный. Pretty. Fun. Веселый. Веселый. Fun. Веселый. Okay? Next ones. These you use for people. Для людей. Для людей. Friendly. Дружелюбный. Friendly. дружелюбный, friendly. Smart, умный, умный, smart, умный. Kind, добрый, kind, добрый. Busy, занятный, busy, занятный. Busy, busy. And here's the last category. These are the words we use for things. Dla вещи, for things. Dla вещи, for things. Big, большой, big, большой. Small, small, маленький, small, маленький. New, новый, new, новый. Old, старый, old, старый. Easy, easy, легкий, easy, легкий. Hard, жесткий, жесткий, hard, жесткий, hard. Или, может быть, трудный? It would depend on what you mean by hard. Hard, difficult, трудный, hard, like a rock, скала, rock. Жесткий, hard. Жесткая скала, может быть. Warm, теплый, warm, теплый, теплый, warm. Cold, cold, холодный, cold, холодный. All of these words, you should pause the video so you can write these down and remember, because these are frequently used in English language. These will help you form adjectives. Now it's time for a fun exercise to see how much you've learned. I want you to describe in English these pictures that I will show you on the screen. And you need to figure out which adjectives you should use. Are you ready? Here's the first one. Which adjective would you use for this? A red apple. Did you get it? Good job. Here's the next one. Which adjective would you use to describe this word? A big house. A big house. Did you get it? Good job. Here's the next one. How would you describe this picture? A cute dog. Did you get this one? Here's the next one. How would you describe this word? A fast car. Good job. Did you get this one? Now we are going to try it with two adjectives. I will show you a picture and you use two adjectives to describe the picture. I know you can do it. Let's try. Here's the first one. How would you describe this one? A beautiful yellow flower. Did you get this one right? Might have been a little tricky, but I'm sure you did it. Here's the next one. How would you describe this one with 2 adjectives? A small red apple. Did you get this one too? Good job. Here's the last one. How would you describe this one? A big white house. Good job. I hope you got all of these right. Let me know in the comments which ones you got right and which ones you had trouble with. Okay, everyone. Before we go, let's do a mini quiz. Here's question 1. Where do adjectives go in American English? Is it A, before nouns, or B, after nouns? The correct answer is A, before nouns. American English adjectives come before the nouns. Here's question 2. Do adjectives change for gender in American English? No, they don't change gender in American English. They always stay the same. Here's question 3. Translate this sentence into English. Malinkaya sinya kniga. Let's see if you got this one right. It is a small blue book. I hope you got this one right. Here's the last question. Is car red correct? No, car red is not correct. It is red car. Great work today. Your homework is simple. Choose 3 objects in your home and describe them using English adjectives. Here are some examples. A big window. A small table. A warm cup of coffee. If you want more beginner-friendly American English lessons, subscribe and join my Telegram channel. Until next time, goodbye.